birthday! Happy birthday! Love you! God bless, God bless!
Hi ma, happy birthday ma. First of all ma, salamat king Egan na ganang pamagsakripisyo mo para kaya kami. Lalo-lalo na para king anak ko ma. Ma, ako mo sasabing madalas kaya kaini pero thankful ko na ikimbi niya na ning hapong kinubilang indami ma. Ma, sorry king Egan na gana balang aldo asuklian kungan ing binye mo kaya kami. Aliman ngayon pero malapit na ma. Wish ko king hapong kino na di na nakabang sikan akatawan at dakal pa-birthday i-celebrate na mo. Kalukuran da ka sobra ma. Again ma, happy birthday. I love you.
Hi ma! Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Mingat ka palagi. I love you so much.
Surprise! Yes! Surprise, Lola! Surprise! Yes! Happy birthday, Lola! Oh, happy birthday? What's your wish? Huh? What's your wish? Who's that? Cyrus. It's Cyrus. Who's that? Cyrus. Hi, Mama Lala. Happy birthday. Say happy birthday. I love you so much. I love you so much. Oh, very good. Okay, it's my turn. Happy birthday, Ma. Wish ko, my wish is sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay, tapos ingatan mo lagi yung sarili mo. Sana lagi kang healthy. And I just wanna take this opportunity to say thank you for all your sacrifices for us and for loving us unconditionally, for loving me, and not only me and this kid right here. Thank you for giving us, thank you for supporting us and for loving us. That's all. And hi everyone. Also, sorry, he's getting too fuzzy right now. No, it's okay, buddy. Anyways, happy birthday, Ma. Let's talk on your birthday na lang po. Love you so much. Ingat lagi. And take care, everyone. Take care.
Hey mama, happy birthday. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm always thinking about you and I miss you and everybody. You have a really great birthday, mama. I love you so much. Bye, mama.
Hi, Tar. Happy birthday. We love you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Laura.
Happy birthday, Nora.
We love you.